Welcome to Happy Chinese Class. 我是黄老师 I'm your teacher, Li-Ling Huang. In this video, we will learn how to talk about unpleasant experiences using base structure. Let's first listen to a story. 昨天是小李的生日，他的女朋友送给他一本书和一个蛋糕做生日礼物。It is 小李's birthday yesterday. His girlfriend gave him a book and a cake as birthday gifts. 可是书被狗吃了，蛋糕被电脑压坏了。However, the book was eaten by the dog and the cake was crushed by the computer. 他想打电话给女朋友，可是他的手机被弟弟拿去了。He wanted to call his girlfriend, but his phone was taken away by his younger brother. 他想开车去女朋友家，可是他的车也被弟弟开去学校了。He wanted to drive to his girlfriend's house, but his car is also driven away by his younger brother. 他昨天过得很不开心。He had a bad day yesterday. So this story is about Little Li's unhappy experience. Now let's look at 4 base sentences. Can you summarize the feature and the pattern of base sentence? 书被狗吃了，蛋糕被电脑压坏了，他的手机被弟弟拿去了，他的车也被弟弟开去学校了。Well, base sentences are passive voice sentences. Take the first one as example. Instead of using an active voice sentence, 狗吃了书 the dog ate the book. The base sentence placed the object 书 at the beginning of the sentence. 书被狗吃了. So the focus of the sentence has shifted from the doer of the action, 狗 the dog, to the receiver of the action, 书 the book. And the structure is like this. Receiver of an action plus 被 plus doer plus other elements. So when and why do we use base structure? The first reason is because base sentences carry a negative tone. Base sentences are often used when the receiver of an action has been negatively affected. In Little Li's story, the cake was crushed, the cell phone was taken away. These are all bad experiences. Another reason is because base sentences focus on the receiver of the action, not the doer of the action. So sometimes, if you're not sure about the doer of an action, you can just avoid mentioning it. For instance, if you're not 100% sure about who ate your homework, you can simply omit the doer and say the sentence like this. 我的功课被吃了. Please note that a verb used with 被 needs to have an object in order to create base sentences. Like 我的功课被狗吃了, the object is 我的功课. And the verb is 吃 to eat. Okay, now let's practice. So someone broke into my house and took away many of my things. I don't know that person, the thief. Please describe what that person did to my things. 我的蛋糕被吃完了。我的电脑被拿走了。我的水被喝完了。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. 再见。